Hello fellow Clasher, this is Clasher Dipesh and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about the Crown King Town Hall 12 Solo Cup which is going to be started on October 1st. So before October 1st morning, you have to register your Town Hall 12 account. So before the registration, I would like to discuss some of the rules of Crown King Town Hall 12 Solo Cup. The first rules is you cannot able to use super troops while attacking and also while protecting your base. That means in defensive CC also you are not available to use super troops and witches also. And you cannot use witches on attack also. That means the super troops and witches is banned from the troop sections. From the spell sections we have no bat spell. That means you cannot able to take bat spells. And from the machine sections you cannot use siege machines such like Battle Beam, Stone Slam or Wall Winker. You cannot use them. And from the heroes equipment we have banded epic equipment, that is the pink color equipment will be banned. And if you don't know about the epic equipment, then please come to the live sections or you can also search in Google what is epic equipment. Rather than epic equipment you can use healer puppet and giant arrow etc. And whenever we are found that you are using banned troops, banned machines, banned equipment, then you will be banned from the tournament. That means you will be disqualified even you have won that game. So many people have doubt about the available stuff, then I will discuss about the available stuff also. So besides the banned troops, you can use anything such like dragon, electro dragon, growth spell etc. Maximum level of troops can be allowed in clan castle. That means you can have donations of like maximum level of the clan castles. And magic portion is available. That means you can boost your heroes, boost your armies. And the most important things in this tournament is you are not able to use multiple ID. That means you are not able to take more than one ID to register your Town Hall 12 account. Make sure that only register from one account. If you are using more than two account or more than one account, then all the remaining ID will be disqualified. You are not able to take participate in next tournament also. All the details about your time, about your match, about your opponent is given on the Discord. So make sure to join Discord server for all the details. So tournament match time will be on 7:30 p.m. NTP to 9:30 p.m. NTP. That means from India we can say that the tournament is start from 7:15 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. So on this time if you are free then only take part, because if you will not come in the time then moreover that your opponent will get free win and maybe the next player will not get chance because you will make that spot full. So individual player have 3 minute time to enter on the attack. That means if your match is on 7:15 p.m. then in 7:15 p.m. IST both have to give challenge, and on the 3 minute of time you have to enter on that base, attack on that base. If you took more than 3 minute time to visit that base then you will be disqualified. There is no penalty. And another most important thing is whenever the match begins then please don't chat on a clan, and the clan tag is also provided soon. So make sure to register your ID very fast. After the registrations, after the verification process, then only you will able to take part. So for the verification you have to go on Discord server. The Discord link is given on the description. You can copy link from there and make sure to download Discord app also. So go on a digital crash community, then you can see a registration solo cup here, and also you can see a solo match details. So on the solo match detail you will see all the details about the tournament, your opponent match times and rules. So go on the registration solo cup, click over there. There is a form also given on there, so click on the form link, then the form will be opening. So on the form link also you can see some of the important rules over here, and this tournament is only for India, Nepal and Bangladesh. So you can see all the rules over here mentioning on top of the form. So go on to the down sections, then you can see a Lucifer Samrat Instagram QR code. Make sure to follow Lucifer Samrat on Instagram, and from which account you follow him. So make sure to type the account from which you have follow him. So Lucifer Samrat is a sponsor of our tournament. So and I have follow him from Dipesh Acharya 16. So I have type over here my account name, my Instagram name from which I have follow him. So after following the Lucifer Samrat, so second verification process is to type the Discord name from which you have joined to the Discord server Digital Clash Community. So I have joined this Digital Clash Community with the name Clash of the Pace. So next thing is the YouTube channel from which you have subscribed to Clash of the Pace YT. And if you are having the channel name Phoenix and your real name is Samridhya, then you have to type Phoenix rather than Samridhya. Okay, so from which account you have subscribed to Clash of the Pace YT, from that account, that YouTube channel only you have to mention over there. And at the last you have your ID name. Okay, so tag. Okay, first give your tag, then give slash and give your name. Okay, your in-game name. And at the last you have your nationality, and it's over. Submit it. It's very easy.